This one is, they said they have heard some unusual sound here in the rear suspension. Just that one. So let's try to reverse also. Let's check. Okay. Oh. Oh, there you are. The shock absorber bushing is missing together with the nut. So maybe this is the one also, and another one here. The lip spring bushing. See? Loose already. So